You did everything right, invested wisely, waited patiently for years. Your money finally compounded. Then the government takes a massive 12.5% cut of your hard earned profits. But most people think paying this tax is compulsory. Here's the twist: there is a legal strategy that lets you pull out 1.25 lakhs rupees completely tax free every year. Budget 2024 set the long term capital gain tax free limit at 1.25 lakhs. Budget 2026 confirmed its staying. Any equity gains above 1.25 lakh are taxed at 12.5%. Most people treat this 1.25 lakh limit as a passive benefit, just hoping to fall under it. Wealthy investors actively harvest every rupee of this exemption annually, resetting their cost basis. Meet Arjun, 28, software engineer in Pune, making 12 lakh a year. He started a 10,000 rupee per month SIP in a flexi cap fund 3 years ago. At 14% returns, his portfolio is now worth 4.8 lakhs with 1.2 lakh in gains. Instead of letting it sit, Arjun must sell his entire 4.8 lakh rupees portfolio before March 31st, because his 1.2 lakh rupee gain is under the 1.25 lakh rupees threshold. His tax bill is exactly 0 rupee. He immediately buys back a similar but different fund the next day, avoiding wash sale issues. Resetting his cost basis to 4.8 lakhs rupees and locking in that tax free gain forever. Now let's see what happens when you do this consistently for 20 years. If you consistently harvest this limit annually, you save 8 to 12 lakh rupees in direct taxes over 20 years. But here's the kicker: that saved tax money stays in the market compounding at 14%. It adds an extra 1.6 to 2.4 crore rupees to your final retirement corpus. Tax efficiency is one of the most powerful wealth building levers available. Objection 1: Exit loads. Direct mutual funds have zero exit load after 1 year. Platforms like Zerodha or Grow charge zero brokerage for mutual fund redemptions. Objection 2: People feel like selling interrupts compounding. But here's the truth: this is a lateral transfer. You can buy back the same day, 0 days out of the market. Warning: T plus 2 settlement creates market gap risk if you don't have spare cash to buy back instantly. Solution: keep spare cash ready to buy immediately, avoiding any market exposure gap. Reality check: 2.4 crore benefit is for large portfolios. Smaller portfolios save around 5 to 10 lakhs. Danger: if market rallies 3% during T plus 2 settlement, you lose more than the tax you saved. Critical: check exit load period. Selling 1 day early can cost more than the tax you save. These catches don't break the strategy, they just require smart execution and realistic expectations. The myth destroyed is the 1.25 lakh long term capital gain exemption applies to both old and new tax regimes perfectly. Don't skip this because gains are small now. In 5 years, you won't be able to harvest it all at once. Build the habit now when gains are small, so it's automatic when gains are large. Here's your foolproof 5-step checklist to execute this between January and March. Step 1: check unrealized gains. Look at equity units held for more than 365 days on your platform's profit and loss. Step 2: sell up to 1.25 lakh in gains. platform's FIFO system automatically redeems oldest units first. Step 3. Reinvest immediately in a similar but different fund to reset cost basis and avoid wash sale issues. Step 4. Document everything. Download the capital gain statement for your CA and ITR filling. Step 5. Do this between January and March, not March 30th. Settlement takes T plus 2 or T plus 3 days. Warning: selling too late can push your gains into next financial year, losing this year's exemption. Factor in bank holidays. T plus 2 can become T plus 4 or T plus 5. Execute by mid-March to be safe. There is an update in 2026. Long-term capital gain losses can now be adjusted only once, making harvesting more vital. Pro tip: you can harvest from multiple funds to reach 1.25 lakh rupees total, giving you more flexibility. You don't sell everything, only enough units to realize 1.25 lakh in gains. Rest keeps compounding. Advanced strategy: each family member gets 1.25 lakh exemption. Family of 4 can harvest 5 lakh rupees tax free. Important: minor child's income is clubbed with parents. Only adult family members get separate exemption. What's critical? This 1.25 lakh exemption only applies to equity funds, not debt funds. Hybrid funds with 65% or more equity allocation qualify for equity taxation and this exemption. ELSS fund have 3-year lock-in. You can harvest them only after the lock-in period ends. For SIPs, each installment has its own 1-year holding period. FIFO sells oldest eligible units first. Don't wait for market peak to harvest. This is about tax efficiency, not market timing. Make this an annual ritual every January, February. Wealthy investors do this systematically. Pro tip: maintain a simple spreadsheet tracking your annual harvesting for easy ITR filing. Consider consulting a CA for your specific situation. Small fee for professional peace of mind. Important: report your tax-free gains in ITR schedule (CG), even if tax is zero. Maintain complete audit trail. Keep all documents for 7 years to protect against queries. Choose a platform with zero brokerage and easy capital gains reporting for smooth execution. Always use direct funds. 0.7% lower expense ratio adds 15 to 20 lakhs over 20 years. Bonus: combine tax harvesting with portfolio rebalancing. Achieve 2 goals at once. Young investors starting at 25 gives you 35 years of harvesting, adding 3 to 4 crore rupees to retirement. Late starter, even 15 years of harvesting adds 80 lakhs to 1.2 crore rupees. Start now. Teach this to your children. Financial literacy is the best inheritance you can give. For NRIs, your tax rules are different. Consult an international tax expert for your situation. What to do in market crash? Harvest whatever gain exists. Systematic approach works in all market conditions. Advanced: harvest tax losses to offset gains. But remember, 2026 loss exhaustion rule. Sectoral funds are volatile. Consider switching to diversified funds when harvesting for stability. Index funds are perfect for harvesting. Multiple similar options make switching easy and simple. This strategy works for both active and passive equity funds. Choose based on your philosophy. Warning: international equity funds don't get this exemption. Only Indian equity funds qualify. Gold ETFs and commodity funds don't qualify. This exemption is only for equity mutual funds. Real estate has different long term capital gain rules. Equity mutual funds have the most favorable treatment. Crypto is taxed at flat 30% with no exemptions. This strategy doesn't work for crypto. Tax rule can change. That's why harvesting every year is critical. Use it while it exists. The complete picture 1.25 lakh annually for 20 years adds 1.6 to 2.4 crore rupees to your wealth. Two paths ahead: pay 12 lakh in unnecessary taxes or add 2.4 crore rupees to your wealth. Don't wait. Open your investment app right now and check your unrealized gains. Share this with your family and friends. Help them save lakhs in unnecessary taxes. You now have the complete blueprint. Go build that extra 2.4 crore rupees. Subscribe for more tax saving strategies that add crores to your wealth. Comment below. How much are you planning to harvest this year?